Welcome to the best picks. The best water heater tune-up kit is probably one of the most overlooked home maintenance essentials, yet regular upkeep of your water heater is crucial for extending its lifespan, boosting energy efficiency, preventing costly repairs, and ensuring a consistent supply of hot water. This video will guide you through selecting the right kit for your needs and performing a thorough tune-up, saving you money and potential headaches down the line. Number 5. Rheem SP20060 Repair Kit. This kit contains everything you need for a quick and easy water heater tune-up. It's perfect for DIYers and plumbers alike. Inside, you'll find all the essential components for a thorough repair. No more searching for individual parts. The kit is designed for simple installation, saving you time and effort. Even beginners can handle it. It features durable, long-lasting materials. It ensures a reliable and efficient repair. You can trust this kit to meet the high standards of Rheem. It's built to last. This is the ideal solution for professional plumbers. It provides everything needed for multiple repairs. What we like. It's a convenient repair kit, perfect for plumbers. It's from a trusted brand, ensuring quality and reliability. If you're a professional plumber needing a reliable and readily available kit, this is your best choice. What people say. Both thermostats lined up right where the originals had been placed, and the gaskets on the two new elements ensured zero leakage once installed. Very happy with the quality of each of the pieces. Perfect fit, couldn't be happier buying this kit versus buying a new water heater. Literally took about 20 minutes start to finish and we have hot water again. Worked perfect on my Rheem 40 gallons water heater. Advise you have a 1-to-1-2 socket and impact wrench to make the task curse-free. Number 4. EWH01 Water Heater Tune-Up Kit. This kit will help you easily maintain your water heater. It includes everything you need for a complete tune-up. It features two 4500W, 240V copper heating elements. These elements are designed for long life and compatibility with most water heaters. The kit also contains two thermostats, an upper and a lower. They're designed to be interchangeable with various brands. The heating elements have a chrome coating for extra durability and a longer lifespan. You'll save money on replacements. This kit fits many major water heater brands, making it a versatile solution for your home. It's compatible with most water heaters over 30 gallons. We stand behind our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our 1-year warranty on this complete tune-up kit. What we like. This kit offers a complete tune-up solution with extra elements and thermostats. The 1-year warranty provides peace of mind. If you need a comprehensive kit with backup parts and warranty protection, this is the ideal option for you. What people say. The elements are an inch or two longer than the originals, which allows more heating element surface area, allowing for slightly faster heating. This tune-up kit had all the right parts one needed. It was easy to install and saved me tons of money. This kit kept my hot water heater in action. The old T-stats gave up and water was scalding hot one day and freezing cold the next. The replacement T-stats don't have exactly the same frame as the OEM part on my A.O. Smith hot water heater, but they are close enough to make for an easy, and workable, exchange. Number 3. Plumber's Electric Water Heater Kit. Is your water heater showing its age? This tune-up kit helps restore it to peak performance, saving you money and extending its lifespan. It's got everything you need, two high-powered heating elements, upper and lower thermostats with protective covers, and all the necessary gaskets for a complete overhaul. These thermostats are designed for high-capacity water heaters, precisely controlling the temperature between 90 degrees Fahrenheit and 150 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal efficiency and safety. They're compatible with most electric water heaters. The kit includes two powerful copper heating elements, ensuring rapid and efficient water heating. They're built to last, providing reliable performance for years to come. This kit is designed for easy installation, fitting most electric water heaters. You'll have hot water back up and running in no time. We stand behind our products. If you encounter any issues, we offer a full refund and will work to resolve any problems quickly and efficiently. What we like. It comes with protective covers for added safety and durability. It's a great value for the money. If you are looking for a well-rounded kit with extra protection and affordability, this is the one for you. What people say. The elements were not terrible, but the new ones were a little longer, which seems like a good thing. Everything fit and works perfect. Good fit. Works great, easy to install. Heats well. Was a easy replacement. Made the job very easy for my old elements and didn't have to worry about stripping them with a crescent wrench. Number 2. EWH02 Electric Water Heater Tune-Up Kit. This kit is designed for most common electric water heaters, providing a quick tune-up to prolong its lifespan. It's perfect for extending the life of your water heater and saving you money. It includes both upper and lower element thermostats with protective covers, ensuring safe and precise temperature control. The adjustable temperature range is 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, with a high limit at 170 degrees Fahrenheit. The kit features 2 high-watt density copper elements for efficient heating. These elements are designed to fit most standard water heaters and are compatible with many common replacement parts. It's designed for easy installation in water heaters 30 gallons or larger with a 14-inch diameter or more. It's compatible with most major brands, making it a versatile solution for various water heater models. We stand behind our product. If you experience any issues, contact us for support, return, or refund. We're committed to your satisfaction. With this comprehensive kit, you can easily maintain and repair your electric water heater, saving you time and money on costly repairs. Get yours today. What we like. It boasts universal thermostats for broader compatibility. The protective covers add an extra layer of safety. If you need a kit that fits most brands and prioritizes safety, this is the best option for you. What people say. Everything needed for the heating elements and controls in one package. Bought when the home water heater went wonky. Turned out our elements were okay, it was just the upper thermostat had gone out. Left the existing elements, replaced the thermostats. Hot water back as it was, glad I got the complete kit. The next thing to go will probably be the elements, and I've got them. Good value for the set versus buying separately. I originally was gonna replace just the thermostats, but I am glad I found this. Paid a little more and the old elements were in terrible shape when I pulled them out. Probably what caused the thermostats to keep tripping the reset switch. Number 1. 0EWH01 Repair Kit. This kit is designed to help you easily repair your water heater. It includes everything you need for a quick and efficient fix. We stand behind our product. It comes with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. They're made of durable copper and have a chrome coating for extra longevity. They're rated for 4500W at 240V and 3500W at 208V. The kit includes both upper and lower thermostats, compatible with various brands. They are interchangeable with thermodisc and upkeep types. It fits most water heaters with dual elements, from Rheem and A.O. Smith to GE and many more. Check the compatibility list to see if it works with your model. This kit makes water heater repair simple. It's designed to be user-friendly and save you time and money. What we like. This kit offers a complete tune-up solution with extra elements and thermostats. The 1-year warranty provides peace of mind. If you need a comprehensive kit with backup parts and warranty protection, this is the ideal option for you. What people say. Kit comes with everything except Teflon tape and pipe thread sealant. Kit is very well out together and thermostats are preset to optimal temperature. I was terrified to do this as I have no plumbing or electrician skills. I watched a quick YouTube video and drained the water out of the tank. Then, I took pictures with my phone so I would know where all the wires went. After that, I took out the elements as they only have 2 wires each and replaced them. Lastly, I did the control units and used the pictures I made to wire everything back up. I turned the water back on and had no leaks. Then, we went for some supper at the local Mexican restaurant. By the time we got home, the water was hot and I took a shower. It was so easy that anyone can do it and save buying a new water heater. Just get the whole kit, because the one element alone is like $21. If your bottom element is out and you still have hot water, your top element is going to have been working overtime to compensate and could have a shortened life. Much better to do it all at once, and that way you have spare thermostats. We've saved a lot in calling the plumber by doing this ourselves. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.